I'm Kate.
And I'm Sabine. And we've got a real bailout plan for you.
In mid-March, when California went into lockdown due to the COVID-19 crisis, I immediately saw the possibility of an economic collapse. It gave me the urgency to begin growing my own food crops in my garden. While I was at it, I noticed gardening really seemed the most life-affirming thing I could be doing in that moment. It gave me a sense of empowerment that I was doing something proactive about my own survival. I also noticed that while gardening, it really provided an opportunity to be outside with others in a physically distanced way. It really gets to the heart of several crises to begin to do small-scale food production for ourselves. It addresses the exploitation and waste of commercial agriculture. It enables us to produce nutrient-dense foods in a healthy environment and connects us with the natural rhythms. While I was in this process of learning food production myself, I started thinking about people in the city that were standing in line at the food bank, standing in line at the unemployment office, and just seeing the possibility to connect with those folks too and enable them to have a similar experience of self-empowerment in the time of crisis. Of course, in the city, the limitations are much greater than out in the country where I live. There may be limited space to grow a garden. The soil may be non-existent. So I began looking into straw bale gardening as a way to basically start from scratch and build from the ground up, building topsoil on the top of whatever existed. It could even be an asphalt corner of the parking lot. Through a series of short videos, we'll walk you step by step through the process of starting and maintaining a straw bale garden. We'll talk about siting your straw bale garden, acquiring the bale, conditioning it, that's the process of preparing it for planting. We'll talk about pre-sprouting seeds, planting them into the bale, how to maintain those straw bale gardens, harvest, save seed, and prepare to start again in the next season.
Your support will help us spread this concept to so many more people whose lives it will help. Thank you so much for the opportunity.